Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today we will learn about SmartV events. SmartV events allow you to trigger action flows at different points of your SmartV session lifecycle. You can trigger events after login is completed, before logout while the session is still active, after logout, when the session expires, or when the user tries to enter a wrong one-time password. So as you can see, I have SmartV enabled in my project here, and once you enable SmartV, you'll see this list of events here at the bottom. Now let's enable all of these events, and when we click the gear icon, we will be presented with an action flow. Now I already configured all these events to show messages that correspond to the event. So you can see my after login has an after login message, and that's the same for everything. Wrong OTP, wrong OTP. So let's save our project and preview it. Now let's put in an email. And the first thing we'll do is we'll intentionally put in a wrong one-time password. And you can see I get the wrong OTP message. So let's put in the correct password. And you can see right after I'm logged in, we get the after login message. Let's close this. And now let's sign out of our account. You can see I got both messages very quickly there, the before and after logout messages. So today we configured SmartV events. Now I just did messages in the action flow, but you can do any node here. And you can do very complicated processes here. And that's how it's done.